Filming another cycle on the Hoover DynamicNEXT silent inverter, and this time we're going to be doing a wool wash. See how the wool cycle works on this and what it does. And you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 on film.
This is
Florence Ballard A3060.
Doors will open on the right-hand side.
Right, so it's 21 degrees Celsius outside, so it's time to get the jumpers washed and keep them away. Plus in case it gets a bit nippy. And I'm off to a party tonight with some friends. The birthday celebrations are not over yet. This is also going to be one of the last cycles we do with this machine, because I will be putting it up for sale first. Soon. And then I will also be doing the hygiene cycle on this. I quite like that cycle for doing, I think we'll do some bedding on that, because it can go up to 90 degrees, but it's like an hour and 41. So it's a bit of a bigger load, but it's a 10 kilo machine, so there we go. I don't know what the wool cycle will be like, so we'll see what happens. So Tesco powder goes in here, and as usual the conditioner gets put in afterwards. See, wool cycle, let's have a look. So it's 800 RPM with 48 minutes, and we know it can only go up to 40. No options needed. I don't know if we can select soil level. No, can't. Okay, so we'll go. So I wonder if we're going to do, I wonder what the tumbles are like, how frequent they are. Ugh, gurgling. This is video number 3 of this machine, good. Dumped all the powder onto there as. It's washing a lot of it down anyway. It's like 2 jets there as it comes out, yeah. There we are. All good, tumbling while filling. Okay, a bit more of a better tumble there. Interesting stuff. Pause between the tumbles there. I'm just going to mainly soap, I think it is. Not almost at level. Way. If it'll top up any. Still some water trickling in there. I love when it does that. 45 minutes to go. Okay. Not bad tumbles, it's a bit better than some of the other ones I've seen. Okay, we are now heating to 40 degrees Celsius. It's quite interesting how this does it. It's quite frequent tumble. So I would say, besides the Hotpoint 95 series, besides the Hotpoint 95 series, it's the most frequent ones that I'm trying to what? I've lost track. Someone distracted me. It's the most frequent tumbles that I've seen one do. Interesting though. And the worst one goes down to the LG. I think that was the worst wool cycle I've ever seen. Bosch have one of the best though, because they disabled a balance sensor. I just want to see what the spin's going to be like on this. Is it going to be similar to the Hoover SIX? See? So I wouldn't be surprised if all that powder does get dissolved in there. We've reached 40 degrees Celsius. I just heard the thing click. Yeah, it's gone off. Got 25 minutes on the clock. We actually do quite fast tumbles for a wool cycle, which is good. See, look. See what happens now. For 25 minutes, I don't think we're going to do any intermediate spins, and probably only 2 rinses. That's my hypothesis. Because the wool cycle on the Hoover SIX is 59 minutes, but yet there's no intermediate spins. Just 3 deep level rinses and that long, fast, well, sorry, not the short, fast final spin. I reckon that would have dissolved the powder quite well. Interesting stuff. So we do this cycle and the hygiene, and then that's it. Done. Maybe the mixed cycle, I don't know. We'll see. I'd rather sell this than going to try and get another machine. I don't know what will turn up. There's not much recently. Right, the machine's draining at 24 minutes to go. I don't know what it's going to do, so let's just find out for ourselves. Unless there's people watching who are very familiar with the programming of these. Seems a few people are, so you guys are probably putting it in the live chat now what it's doing. Let's see, I don't think there would be a spin. Or maybe there's one intermediate spin, I don't know. I don't see it though. I think it'll go into 2 rinses straight away. Yeah. Yeah, straight into a rinse, so I'll film the whole fill cycle. Because that won't take long to fill up now, because it's not got to absorb it all. And I'll also go and start preparing the dryer. I think it's going to do 2 rinses with no spin in between, and then just going to start into like a short final spin. I think it's really deep level. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. sound like a little kid crying. Oh, you miss me. More back. She will be. But I'll make sure I go and see her for you. Just for you. So a bit of deepish level rinse. Let's see what's going on. I'm filming a bit more of each bit because it's going to be a short video, so I thought I'll record some of the other bits of the cycle in full a bit. Washing up a cereal bowl. Okay, it's a medium-ish level. Draining, 19 minutes ago, I don't think there's going to be a spin. Let's go. Or I might do 3 rinses, we never know. I think I'll do 3 rinses. Then we'll pump up. What's this? Oh yeah. It's on a very high level rinse. I don't know if you can see that. It's filled halfway up. It's the second rinse, that one. Oh shush. I don't know why the Wi-Fi thing's flashing, because I haven't ever enabled Wi-Fi on this. Well, maybe it's no, I've got it there. I do like the constant things on this though. Probably because I paused it for a bit and then it's soaked. Oh, it's out of loads of the water, that's why. Okay, we're draining, but I don't know if this is just going to be a drain. We've got 11 minutes to go, so I'll see what happens. That's the suspension creaking there. So it's got 11 minutes, so yeah. Africa by Toto. There we go. 10 minutes to go. I don't see that being the final spin. The wall spin's about 4 minutes or something. I feel like if you repeat a rinse in 5 minutes, there's a chance it might. Let's see. There we are. Well, it's a final rinse now, so I'll pop in some conditioner. Nice and quick. Probably might sit there up, pause in through there. One thing. I'll put you on grease. Well, the rest of the conditioner going in. There we are. Lovely conditioner. Nice. Can smell so good. Those are washing to do. On the final spin now. 3 minutes ago, we're probably going to time and roll and that's it. I will probably give this a lot of spin in the we'll bring it on the 1600 on this. So I'll be interested to see what kind of spin this does. Got a balance. There we go. I'm gonna spin. I swear it's something standing on a takeaway. It's very unbalanced. Well, it does kick up like the Hoover SIX does. Oh yeah, she won't see this. My friend Lauren has got a white Hoover Dynamic and 1600 RPM. She opened it today. That's shaking quite a lot, that is. That's very unbalanced. Sounds weird at doing it without a brush mower. Oh, 800 now. Oh, it doesn't do an exciting boost. There we go. Shake it a bit there. Interesting stuff. You know, put it on a spin. Let's have a feel. Ooh, it smells nice. So I'm gonna put it on 1600 spin and put it in the dryer. That's it. Alright. I'll put some mum stuff in there as well because she needs to put it on the dryer. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This was the Hoover DynamicNEXT silent inverter 10 kg on the wall cycle at 40 degrees Celsius. We've got one more video coming up before I put this up for sale, which will be the all hygiene at 90 degrees Celsius with bedding. I might do the steam demonstration with that actually as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.